Good evening. After 4 years of delay, the trial of accused deputy killer Michael Astorga begins Monday, but we have learned that there has been some last-second maneuvering by the DA.
She's filed a motion to make sure she doesn't lose a vital piece of evidence and another to keep the defense from bringing something up over and over again. Here's News 13's Ian Schwartz with details.
Diane, Carrie Brandenburg, who will personally try the case against Astorga, filed 2 motions this week. They are motions that could make or break the case. Prosecutors say Michael Astorga shot Deputy James McGrain during a late-night traffic stop in Tijeras in 2006. McGrain had pulled Astorga's truck over for a broken taillight. A key part of the prosecution's case is motive, because there were no eyewitnesses and the murder weapon was never found. They say Astorga killed McGrain to avoid capture because Astorga knew he was wanted for the murder of Candido Martinez 4 months earlier. Investigators say Astorga killed Martinez, a childhood friend, over a car. They say he knew he was wanted because he had stopped seeing his probation officer, quit his job, and kept moving around. The DA wants that murder arrest warrant to be allowed as evidence. Astorga's lawyer wants it kept out.
They know, as do I, that case doesn't have merit and never has had merit.
Gary Mitchell says Astorga wasn't concerned about the Martinez murder case and wasn't ducking the law. The DA also filed a motion to bar the defense from bringing up accusations of bullying tactics by deputies.
Bullies is a polite word for it.
After McGrain's murder, deputies scoured the Albuquerque area for Astorga for almost 2 weeks, questioning his friends and relatives and searching their homes, until he was finally captured in Juarez. Mitchell claims deputies intimidated and coerced witnesses.
They affected the credibility of these witnesses. They intimidated witnesses. They tried to get people to say certain things.
Prosecutors would not talk to us on camera, but they say the defense only wants to confuse the jury and stir up a bias against the sheriff's department. Whatever happened after the murder, the DA says, doesn't change the fact that Astorga pulled the trigger. Now, the DA's office does not want to comment on the trial at this point. Instead, they're letting these motions do the talking. Judge Neil Candelaria will hear these motions on Monday. No word yet on when he will make his decision. Back to you.
Okay, Ian. Now, the trial also starts Monday with jury selection. Opening statements could begin later in the week. If convicted, Michael Astorga could get the death penalty.